Hello there, everybody. I'm meteorologist Cassie Knoll and TGIF. For our Friday, we've already got the clouds in our skies and even a few couple scattered showers not out of the question for the rest of the day today. But I don't think it's going to be until tonight that we'll start to see the more consistent, more widespread and possibly heavier rainfall, even a few thunderstorms around the Sun Coast. We have an area of low pressure moving along the northern Gulf Coast states, and the heaviest rainfall and strongest storms associated with it should be from the Tampa Bay area northward. So heads up if you're driving up I-75 today, along the I-10 corridor, along the I-95 corridor as well. Those could be some very wet roadways up in that region. Now again, for the Sun Coast, we've just got those very breezy winds out of the south, and that's helping to warm us up and of course bring a lot of humidity to the atmosphere. Those winds gusting to around 25 to 30 miles an hour today should allow our highs to reach the upper 70s and the lower 80s. And again, I don't think it will be until a little bit later this evening that we start to see maybe some of the heavier rainfall. We're looking for rain totals of around maybe a quarter to a half an inch for the Sun Coast, possibly up to an inch with some of those thunderstorms that we may see embedded in there. And that will mostly be through the overnight hours into the first half of our Saturday. For the rest of the southeast, we're looking for rainfall totals of around 1 to 3 inches from the Panhandle up into the coastal Carolinas. And all of this is very much needed this time of year. Actually, along the Sun Coast, we're running a rainfall deficit of about 2 inches right now, so any of this rain would be very helpful. Now again, the rain chances will last into the first part of our Saturday, probably up until around maybe the 9 to 10 a.m. hour. Behind that, those breezy winds out of the north and the northwest will usher in some much cooler and much drier air. So for the day tomorrow, after the rain chances end, temperatures will hover in the lower to middle 60s, maybe a few upper 60s, and then drop all the way down into the 40s to start off Sunday morning. It looks like we're actually going to remain on the cool side and below average all the way into midweek next week. Stay tuned to SNN, your Suncoast News Network, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on the channels listed there on your screen. And have a good Friday, everyone.